Okay, good evening. This is Karl F. Rose recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Sunday, October 11th, 2020. And what you're looking at is some habaneros. I'm going to make some habanero salsa. This shouldn't be a long video, but I'm recording this on my Samsung Ts6 Lite. I love the quality of this, and we're actually really zoomed in on this, but that's okay. But I'm going to start by chopping the habaneros with this little device here that I got at Walmart. I got it on the sale desk right by the cash register. So only 20 bucks for this. So and then I'm gonna add some corn, some diced tomatoes, and to make it a little bit thick, some tomato soup. I don't have any onions or anything like that. But anyway, let's just start chopping this and see how it goes. And one thing about habaneros or jalapenos or anything like that, after you chop them, and hopefully I don't get anything on my hands, but you really want to wash your hands after touching these things, because if you don't, and you do like me and accidentally rub your eye, it's really painful, especially with habaneros. And not only your eyes, but I've accidentally scratched other areas that I won't mention in this video. And trust me, that was not pleasant, and I don't want to experience that ever again. So get these out of the way first, and then we'll put them in our container. And the reason I'm adding all this other stuff is not only to make it thicker, but actually I need to have a base there for the salsa. And not only that, I need to have enough stuff in there to combat the heat. So, okay, let's just go here. Right. Okay, let's just. Okay, we're just going to start chopping these. Oh, I can smell the habanero already. And as you can see, I'm trying not to touch the things. They're relatively easy to chop, so I want to get this all done in one thing. I have to wash my hand now. I touched that little red thing, and believe it or not, even if you touch just one little speck, you better wash your hands, otherwise you're going to regret it. I love these little gadgets. Okay, here we go. We got all the habaneros in this little thing. Gonna dump them in the little container here. Yeah, I can feel it on my hands already. I am going to have to wash my hands. Yeah, and there we go. Get this one out of here. There you go. See, there it is. Those are all the habaneros. Now I just got to mix the stuff in there, but I'm going to wash my hands first. Yeah, 5 minutes, that's not bad. This gets tossed. Okay, I will rinse off the other things after the video. But let me just open the other cans in here and stir everything up, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, there's that. Okay, I'm going to mix these up, then I'm going to get a chip and see how it goes, and we'll finish off the video. Okay, mix all these up. Okay, there it is. There's my jalapeno salsa. And let me get a chip and let me try it. I want a habanero sauce on there. Okay. This, I may have to put more stuff in here. We'll try it. It's hot. I'd have to put some more stuff in it, but I'll do that later. Anyway, have a good day.